Why does it always fold that way? Hiccup! Oh no, Pete has the hiccups! Hiccup! Hiccup! How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Pete stands on 1 foot, hiccup. On 1 foot. Hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on 1 foot and hop up and down. Pete stands on 1 foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. What? How does Pete still have the hiccups? We're on page 14 and 15. Yeah. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. Gus, you stand on 1 foot and hop up and down and sing a song. Doody-doo-doody-da. Pete stands on 1 foot. He hops up and down and he sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Why? Why does Pete still have the hiccups? Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on 1 foot, then hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly. Also, this was from school, says Bob. This book was from school. Pete does it. Hiccup! Hiccup! Nothing is working. Pete still has hiccup. Why? Go ask Bob, says Bob. Mom. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. And hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it. That's it? Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. And he waits. And waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. And these are the other Pete the Cat books. Yeah, this is a Pete the Kitty book, but these are Pete the Cat books. Pete the Kitty and Pete the Cat, they are the same people. Yeah. So this story wasn't very long because, look, my first reading, I don't know why I put this here. These are all these here. The perfect rich, the chapter books. I hate chapter books. Why is this even a thing? Oh my gosh. Well, that's the end. So guys, I hope you like this story. story from school. Yeah, this book's from school. I randomly found it at Mrs. Jen's class. Yeah. I ate this, and I ate all of these. Oh, Doodle Boy, yeah, Doodle Boy. Doodle Boy, yeah. Doodle